back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. Now, I've been trying to mix these job leads up a little bit and have a little bit of something for everyone. Not everyone wants customer service, not everyone wants a healthcare. So if you have any suggestions of things you would like to see or specific things you are looking for, please feel free to leave those in the comments. You can even leave any education and experience that you have, because I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And of course, the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below the video if you want to get those applications in. Today's job lead is going to be a social media agent. Now, this is a part-time remote job through LiveWorld. Now, LiveWorld has lots of opportunities available, but the one we are going to focus on is the social media, reviewing different social media content and either approving it or denying it. Now, when you click the link in the YouTube description box, it's going to bring you to this main careers page. There is two ways to get to the social media job. One, there'll be an orange pop-up box on the right side of the page that says Social Media Agent Job Opening, and you can click to view job description, or if you just scroll down the page past the employee testimonials, you'll eventually get to a section that says Careers at LiveWorld, and there'll be several different colored boxes. The orange box will say Social Media Agent, and if you click the little plus button there, the job description will come up. But again, this is a part-time position, and they do have flexible work schedule. However, you also need to be flexible in when you can work, because they are going to need coverage on evenings, nights, weekends, and holidays. But they are really just looking for someone to review and take appropriate action on different social media posts according to the brand guidelines, including rejecting or approving content, tracking, or escalating it. You don't want someone spamming the comments of, say, a brand's Facebook page. You also don't want somebody putting a lot of negative energy out there. So you're really going to be moderating what is posted and making sure it follows the guidelines that the brand wants for their social media. You'll triage and respond to customer questions, selecting and personalizing previous prepared responses or in social context. So if they're in the social media comments asking questions, you will have already prepared responses that you will copy and paste and send to them through the comments. You'll also research customer service answers and in some cases client CRM systems. Now, as far as what they're looking for someone that's at least 18 years or older and has 2 to 3 years experience of some kind of online moderation and engagement or some kind of customer service. So if you've ever worked in retail or been a server in a restaurant, that counts as customer service. So you don't actually have to have online moderation experience if you do have the customer service. They say it is helpful if you've previously worked at home, but that is not required. They do prefer somebody who has experience in social media tools such as Salesforce, Kronos, different things like that. Of course, you're going to have your own high-speed internet access, and it says you're going to have dependable telephone access preferred for training. So they are going to train you, but you're going to have to be able to speak to the person training you for the job, but the actual job is going to be non-phone. Now, this is going to be for United States residents only, fluent in any of these languages: English, Danish, Dutch, Flemish, French, German, Italian, Norwegian, Portuguese, Spanish, or Swedish. And of course, down here it does say again they offer flexible scheduling. Now, while they did not list the pay in their job description, I always try to do a little bit of research when I can. So on their Glassdoor page, there are several different positions listed that deal with moderation and social media. One is listed as a moderator, which is $80,000 to $123,000, but I am looking more on the lines of social media moderator, looks $46,000 to $53,000 here, $54,000 to $58,000 on this one that was submitted. And if you go back down, online moderator, $53,000 to $63,000. Moderation agent is $75,000 to $110,000. Social media specialist, 60 to 65,000. So this seems to be a very high paying gig. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If you found this job lead or anything that I share helpful, please give this video a thumbs up like button because that does help me out. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.